I love who I am and I love my life, but if I could be someone else, I'd be Beyoncé in 2 seconds. I love the feeling I get when I'm on a set. I love reading the scripts, playing the characters, getting to be someone else. One of my favorite things about doing movies is that you get to do different things you'd never do in real life. My parents never talked to me like I was a kid. Maybe that's why I've been seen as mature. I really enjoy what I'm doing. I think you have to have a good time and not look too far back or too far ahead. I learned to read at 2. I was in a Montessori school, and they teach you to read really, really young. My weird thing is, I only tan my legs. My whole body's covered in the shade, and I tan my legs. My mom, she is the most unbelievable mom that you could ever have in your entire life, and she's always with me on everything. The most I've ever been away from her is 2 days. I love her more than anybody could ever